Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create an automation rule in Trello that limits the number of cards created per day. So this is useful if you want to prevent your team from adding too many tasks and keep your workflow under control. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So over here on your Trello board, you will see this automation tab here in the top. So simply click on the automation and here you will see the option of rules. So this is actually Butler, which is Trello's automation tool. So once you are here inside the rules option, you will see the option of create automation. So you can click on the option of create automation. Here you can basically set the trigger, condition and action for your rule. So here, if you select the option of add trigger, you need to choose when a card is added to the board as a trigger, and this way the rule will run every time someone tries to add a new card. So here you can see we have a bunch of different options. So you need to select that particular option which I have shown you, which is when a card is added to the board. So here you will have to simply just when a card is added to the board, so you will have to select the list name here just like so, then click on the plus icon right next to it. So your trigger is been selected. Now you need to add a condition. So over here in the condition you will see you need to select if the number of cards created today, and you need to set the condition to something like greater than or equal to 10. So here we have the options, so you need to select that and click on the plus icon right next to it. After that, the third option will be to choose the action, which can be deleting the card or move the card to the list named limit reached. So you can also set the limit to send a message in the Slack board's notification to inform the team that the daily card limit has been reached. Once you are done with it, simply click on the option of save in the top right hand corner of the screen. And now you can try creating multiple cards, and once the daily limit is reached, Trello will automatically block or redirect the new cards. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.